Hello everyone. Hello. Welcome to Better Wave. This better as always. Hope everyone is doing well. Please, as always, let me know if you can hear me and we can get started. Hope you guys are having a wonderful Friday and you had a great week as well. So yeah, just let me know if you can hear me and we'll get started. We'll see what's happening and what could be happening as always in the markets. So let's do some due diligence. Let's notify everyone on Discord that we're live. Yeah. So, as always, you guys ask whatever you want to. So let me just type it in the chat as always. Welcome. Ask me anything to and why is it? Great. And as always, I'll leave the link for Discord if you guys want to join me and see what is going on. Hello there. Can you hear me? Hope you're doing well. And yeah, guys, just let me know what you guys want to take a look at today, and I'll do my best. So as always, we can take a look at what is the indices. We can take a look at cryptos, Bitcoin, Ethereum, some minor altcoins. We can take a look at Forex. We can take a look at Euro Dollar, which has now reached equality 101. That happened in a long time. And what else can we take a look at? Yes, awesome. Thanks a lot. All good over here. How about you? It's really hot here, but I guess it's summer, so nothing new. Let's see. It's been a crazy week. Last time I was live, we talked about options, July's options, and how they were priced. So, I mean, at a discount level based on calculations, Black-Scholes, and Monte Carlo simulation methods. And that was interesting. At that point, though, still I wasn't looking for upside in the indices, and still I don't believe. I don't know. It doesn't look right to me. Speaking of oil, I was just taking a quick look at it. This, we can go over it later on today. This could be an ending diagonal in wave C. So, could primary wave 4 be completed? I guess it could. Let's see. Obviously, we have invalidation level right here, red line, so $76 for the count. But I guess we could expect upside in oil in the future. Okay. Good. Well, it's hard to find because I didn't. You'd have to tag me on the analysis so that I can find it on the Discord. Because unfortunately, there's plenty of tags, and I don't have the time to look at them all. Guys, if you just joined us, welcome. First of all, if you're new to the channel, please consider to subscribe and ask me for whatever, and I'll try to take a look at it using the Elliott Wave Theory, as I've been always doing on the channel. So gold keeps moving lower. Was this predicted? Yes, it was. I think I can even find on the Discord. So that's private Discord for members only. I think I could find the gold. Oh yes, gold looking for continuation lower. So I was looking for further downside. Look at this. We were at 1818 and I was expecting further downside to, you know, I didn't say precisely, but obviously there was more room for downside, and boom, we got it. So I mean, I guess that this alone could have been paid back with, you know, this trade could have paid you the price of the membership itself. So it was, yeah, I'll be honest, if you ask me, I don't, yeah, sure, go ahead, send it on Discord and tag me so that I can share it. So yeah, I don't trade often, I don't send ideas often, but when I do, they're usually, I just focus on quality rather than quantity, which is what many people say, but I actually show it, as you guys just saw. Let's see, what else can we take a look at? Oh yeah, EU. Well, EU is again another great example. So I was expecting 1 and 2, and again I have an example here. There we go. June 29th, EU looking for a downside. So I said downside. I was expecting wave 2 to be completed right there at 1061, and I said 1 and 2 on the horizon, and then we should just continue lower. So 104, that was right there, and then boom. So again, I don't trade much, don't send many updates, but they're usually pretty spot on. So now, what could happen, I guess, so let's just delete these invalidation levels. So now invalidation level for the count would be here, a break north of 1036, and let's measure wave 3 against 1 minute degree, so the blue one. Let me hide the moving averages. Oh yeah, so they were pretty close, almost touched 1.618. So I guess it could be time. For a pullback into wave 4, and then we could just continue to the downside into wave 5. At that point, maybe we could see something happening. Obviously, as long as we don't have a clear move to the upside, there's no reason to believe we will get significant upside. I guess the next support level is down here. Oh, it's down here. So yeah, there's more room to the downside. Yeah, I would need to count this, but I mean, it could be 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So maybe 3, 4, and 5 here. We are on the hourly time frame, as you can probably see, and then again 1, 2, 3, 4, and down into wave 5. Wrong, and I like to have it black. There we go. All right, let me know if you have any questions on you, on or anything really. As always, just let me know what you guys want to take a look at. I'm just doing a roundup of most significant macro aspects. So EU, we can take a look at Bitcoin. With Bitcoin, pretty much it. So let's show the count. Some counts. No, wrong one. So with Bitcoin, again, I made a video on it last time around. I'm expecting downside. I mean, this looks like 3, A, B, C. You could argue you have wave 1, 2, and then upside. Yes, I guess you could. Oh yeah, we'll do the Dow and the Nasdaq right after this for sure. Yeah, you guys keep the requests coming. So yeah, I'm expecting downside here. I want to see one last push lower, but as I was saying, no matter what count we have, we could be near some kind of a bottom, and that also applies to the indices. And again, for the Nasdaq, I have let's see. So you're this, so wave A completed, and now we're, so that obviously could be A, B, C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So a time consuming B. Because this is not one because it has 3 subwaves. If we zoom in, we only have 3 subwaves. We have A, B, C. So it's not 5, it's 3. So I guess it could be something like this, ABC. Let's get back on the 4-hour. ABC, up for A, down for B, up for C. So I guess it could be something like that, to be honest. Or else here I add the, yeah, could this turn into wave 5 and then in diagonal? Well, technically wave 4 should be shorter than 2. So invalidation level for this count would be a break north of this line, because that's where wave 4 would be as long as wave 2. So contracting diagonal, every wave must be shorter than the one before, 3 shorter than 1, 5 shorter than 3, 4 shorter than 2. So oh, thank you though, I appreciate it. Hope you're talking about me. But yeah, thanks a lot. Oh, you asked for whatever you want. Yeah, we can also take a look at the DEX for sure. But yeah, if you are talking about me, thanks a lot. So yeah, that's a possibility, as I was saying, on the Nasdaq for the downside into this potential anti-diagonal. So looking something like this, which, to be honest, the more time we spend onto this wave 4, the less likely. And then also if I'm marking up this as an anti-diagonal wave A, I don't, to be honest, I'll be honest, I won't lie to you. I don't know if it's possible to have a diagonal in both A and C are the same correction. Maybe it is, but what may also not be possible. So I'm gonna be honest right there. I don't remember. But yeah, let's just keep it as a possibility. Let's see. I guess that pretty much, we had this, which I call extension lower, which at this point in time I doubt it. Yeah, this. So yeah, either one of those two. For yeah, not really much to add on the Nasdaq. Feel free to ask questions. In the meantime, we'll do the Dow as. Ooh. I mean, what if this isn't diagonal? Oh, maybe wave 3 is longer than 1. Let's check. Yes. So no, it cannot be a diagonal. That's a tricky count. Not gonna lie. It's a tricky count. So again, this is 3. So yes, we could get this, but then I would expect further downside. So I don't think this is the low that will take us crazy high. Also, economical, fundamental reasons are not supporting this theory. Oh, it's all messed up. Wow. Oh, wow. I need to take care of my accounts. Wow. My apologies for that. Yeah, this is all my stuff. I should do it scratch. Sometimes I just too many things to take a look at. But yeah, I mean, could be a double XY, I guess, right there. But then again, it looks a bit nasty. What it doesn't look like is impulsive, so trend establishing. But yeah, I guess we need to take it one step at a time, as always. Yeah, I agree. That was pretty tricky. The DAX, yeah, I had, oh wow, too many waves. I had this come for the DAX, which obviously, yes, wasn't validated. I mean, so at this point in time, if I have to be completely honest, it's hard to understand what is going on. I could lie to you and tell you, oh, everything is fine. This is going to happen, but I do not know. We either a sharp B or else, which could follow the Americans. We could get this, which would follow the Americans, because if we are expecting upside soon on the Americans and then further downside, then usually the DAX should follow, could follow, and most likely will follow. Now, with that being said, it would be nice on a higher degree to know what that is, wouldn't it? And yeah, this is really messed up. So either 1, 2, because if you look at on arithmetic scale, so exponential, 1, 2, 3, 4, this could be like a crazy top. We could be retracing. So let me just check about one thing. Okay, so that was roughly 61.8% correction. And what about this? So after all, let's say this is, let's say we get this. Even if we do, this wave 1 and 2 would also be roughly 50% correction. So this was a 54, and obviously that would be as well 50. Yeah. So it would make sense in a way, for even if this is like wave 5 right there, I would be fine with it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Time consuming 2. A bit more of a sharper wave 4, which went near the territory of the previous wave 4. Nice Elliott Wave tendency right there. All right, I'll answer your question, the Nasdaq, in just a second, but I saw it. Just finish up with the DAX. By the way, if you have questions on the Dow, on the DAX, feel free, or if any of you just joined us, welcome. And yeah, just let me know what you want me to analyze, and I'll do my best. Oh, that was my charger going off. They do this MagSafe, and they just not think about it. So anyways, yeah, I was saying, even if we go down here, it's a 50% correction. Same correction, same percentage, net percentage retracement of this correction. So after all, it would make kind of sense, wouldn't it? I think it would. But obviously, I mean, this could take years, and if we do that, I mean, if we think about it, I also expect the Americans to do something similar on a different degree. I mean, on different waves. But it makes sense because where we are right now, in terms of inflation, the conflicts. Yeah, this is not a good. I mean, yes, I would expect further downside. So question on the Nasdaq, you're saying how come net wave 4 is going into wave 1? So oh yes, we can take a look at that for sure. Solly, sorry if I get your name wrong, guys. So you were saying, so I guess you were talking about, if we're talking about discount here, wave 4 does not overlap. Wave 1 is here, wave 4 is here. If you were talking about the other count, wave 4 can overlap with wave 1 only when you have a diagonal right here as well. Wave 4 and 1 overlap, but because it's a diagonal structure, which in technical analysis is also referred to as a wedge, we as wave traders call it a diagonal. So that's the only exception to the rule when you can have wave 1 and 4 overlapping each other. Other than that, you're correct. Wave 1 and 4 cannot overlap. Hope that answers your question. So let's do SA, and then we can take a look at Netflix and Snapchat. So there we go. Let's see. Do you have any preferences on which one? Let's do this. I guess they're the same. And oh, that's interesting. Because I wonder, because I have exposure myself on an ETF on emerging markets, but I don't think there's any South African stocks. Yeah, this is the emerging markets ETF, but I think it's mostly weighted towards China and the Eastern world. Anyways, I guess, I mean, almost looks too good to be true, doesn't it? Let's see if this looks the same. Oh yeah, it does. So, all right. So again, almost looks too good to be true. Let's just check that wave 3 is not the shortest. I think 5 should be the, yeah, 5 is the shortest. One comment about this. We don't really have a, what's it called? Sorry, I'm missing the word. An extended wave. So wave 1, 3, and 5, they're pretty much all the same length. So this is not ideal, but still technically possible. 1, 2, 3, up and 4, down and 4, up and 5. Nice ABC here for wave 4. Sharp 2, but a bit more of a sideways 4. We have nicely met the rule of alternation. And now if we use the trend channel to estimate the end of wave 5, we connect 2 and 4, project it to 3, and this gives the estimate pretty spot on. So could this be a wave 5? Yes. So if so, then we could easily do this. Which, it kind of reflects the world economy, really. I mean, we just saw the Americans, we just saw the DAX. there's nothing really new to that. On shorter time frame, I would say, yeah, here we're starting to have divergence between price and strength, and this also looks like a potential diagonal. So it could be a leading diagonal into either wave 1 or A. Not really important. What is important is that I would expect upside and then fall back down. Can wave extend? Depends on what you mean by your question. Yeah, usually one impulse wave, so either wave 1, 3, and 5, most of the time it's wave 3, as we know, is considerably longer than the other two. So that's an extension. So Dow is asking for the Dow. Do you see that? So let's see. I'll answer your question, the Dow. In the meantime, let me know if you have any other questions, and then I'll take a look at Snapchat and Netflix. Dow. So on the Dow, do you see that 29.6? So I guess this low. Then you see and way up impulsive to. No. So Adele, sorry, if I mispronounce it. No, the answer is no, because A, B, C of some degree. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A, B, C. I mean, I see. Really, I see up, down, up. I don't see 5. So that's why. Here, yes, 3, and yes, 5. So as I said, what could happen is, yes, we could get upside, but just as regular A, B, and C of some degree. So yes, we can continue higher, but it's not a 1, 2. So I hope that answers your question. And if you have doubts, just let me know. So Netflix, I can show you already. It's right there. I'm expecting downside on Netflix still. I think we could be in some kind of consolidation, maybe a triangular one, into this wave 4. This is validation level, so I'm expecting for the downside. We could get something like more like this, but then overall I'm expecting downside. I'm pretty confident in saying that because let's look at this. Up, down, up. 3 waves a trend don't make. In addition to that, if we take this impulse right here, that one, from here to here, let me just zoom in on that. If we just focus on this is 1, 2, 3, ABC, 3 waves a trend don't make. So yeah, downside. We do not have bottom yet. That would be my answer. So that's on Netflix. Let me know if you have questions on that. And Snapchat, which is Snap, yes. Cool. Okay. So if we look at this, then we could potentially say, if we look at exponential, maybe we could argue this is wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and maybe something of an ABC. If we look at log scale, it looks more like ABC, ABC, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or ABC. So not the best chart I've ever seen on shorter time frames. I don't see this as an establishment, so overall I'm expecting downside. Let me know if you have questions, guys. In the meantime, excuse me for just 10 seconds. I'm gonna grab a glass of water and then I'll be right back. All right, sorry. So, yeah, let me know if you have any questions. What else could we, yeah, or anything you want to take a look at. Yeah, you're most welcome, guys. I'm here for you. So, yeah, if you have more requests, just really keep them coming. No worries. That's what I'm here for, to help you out. And if you're new to the channel, please consider to subscribe, and also please leave a like to this video. And if you are not in the Discord, in the popular Discord yet, just join. Link is in the chat. Let me just pin it. It's free. What else? Oh wow, it's really hot here. Gold, yeah, for sure. Even though I briefly said 2 words about gold in the beginning, I was just showing how on the Discord here on gold, when it wasn't 1818, I was expecting for the downside at the time, and yep, I was right. So yeah, we could be close to, I don't know, I would expect these lows to be broken. Just need to sweep those lows first. Hi Alex. I guess it depends. But what you mean by analyze? So I guess it depends on that. But obviously, that does interfere with markets, with the market makers at least, which obviously dictate where everything is gonna go. And really more, obviously, then yes, it influences the market. Show sideways for golden wave 5. So I believe this could be a triangle. Just a second. So let me just delete this. Let's see. So A, so I could be looking something like this. It's a bit complicated to identify precisely the end. Oh wait, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2. This could be a series of 2, 1 and 2, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5. So yeah, we could be not that far from. Yeah, maybe I'd expect. I don't know. Not sure where we are. It's a bit hard, to be completely honest with you. Mostly because of the complex nature of this wave 4. More than complex, just complicated. Yeah, it's really not that simple. I'm trying my best here, but the thing is, when I try to do this, when everyone tries to do this, trying to define details, going lower on time frames, that's when you start, obviously, your wave count credibility just decreases significantly, because you naturally are going to make more mistakes. And yeah. yeah, as I was saying, wave 4, I see it as a triangle, to be honest. It looks to me like a triangle. So yeah, I would stick with that. Yeah, let me know if you guys any other. Oh yeah, Cadian. Where's Cadian? Do I have it here? So yeah, I don't usually analyze this stuff, but you can always take a look. Okay. Oh wow, huh? That worked out. I still got it. Well, I guess we could be near some kind of a top. Interesting. Yeah, long term, like swing trading wise, I wouldn't do anything. You're very welcome. Which books do you recommend other than with the wave principle? There's RNE Masterworks, which has the wave principle in it, and then also some original writings of Elliott himself, and some other. It has Nature's Law as well, so it's a good book. You're very welcome, bro. And really, I read that. I read the Dow Theory when I got started. So actually, if you guys want to know my story, when I got started, I obviously when I first joined this industry, I lost lots of money, because I didn't know what I was doing. I was following a signal group, but when I started to actually study, I had a book, basic technical analysis, so just basic TA stuff. Yeah, Nature's Law by Elliott. Yes, so it's within RNE's Masterworks, I think, or RNE Elliott's Masterwork, I think it's called. The book has a yellow cover. And then yeah, I started study basic TA analysis book, and then I had the wave principle. I read the wave principle. I read RNE Masterworks, and then I also got myself the Dow Theory, which, I mean, I don't remember much about the Dow Theory. All I remember is very simple. The Dow Theory is what I don't know if you guys know. It's basically when you say lower low, higher lows, higher highs is an uptrend. The moment that structure is broken, it's a low. The structure is broken when the lower low, the lower high, is not the lower high anymore, and then so basically that's the Dow Theory. And yeah, I really summed it up. What else? Yeah, let me know if there's anything else I can help you with. In the meantime, well. Yeah, I don't. I heard about that theory, but didn't go deep. Yeah, just I wouldn't go deep either. I mean, if you want to get the book and read it, you know, you think you might enjoy it, just do it. But other than that, really, you know, Elliott is like an evolution. Euro Aussie. Sure, Mars. You're Aussie. And Elliott, from now I'm trying to get better. Yes. That sounds like a good plan. So let's see. See how this is 3. And we reacted off equality. What a beautiful move. Oh, let's see. This is not that simple. So what I would do is wait. Oh, this is broken. So so wait for a pullback and then short. This could be taken as a validation level. Let me show you. Result array. This could be taken as a validation level. Because this looks like 3. Some kind of 3 nasty one. So yeah, maybe you could get upside now. And then lower. But it's a bit complicated, to be honest. I wouldn't be trading this. But yeah. Not sure what you have in mind. Maybe if you let me know, I can see what I can do. Anglo gold. Oh. Yeah. My answer to this is I don't have any answer. My answer is I skip on this one. My bad. Euro. Far away from the low wave 5 pin diagonal. So it depends on what low you're talking about. First. Nah, this is just this is badness. Look at this. Yeah, I don't know, to be honest. Yeah, I skip on this as well. Sorry, guys. Yeah, Forex is not that well suited for Elliott Wave. Yeah, let me know if there's anything else. Sorry about this. But I wouldn't want to say anything that really doesn't make that much sense. What else? Aspen. Yeah, I'll oh, APN. I'll have the last request, and then unfortunately I gotta go. But it's always been a pleasure, and don't forget that I stream every other Friday here on the channel. So be there, be squared, and then always, what's best to trade with Elliott Wave? Indices, mostly Americans, the DAX. So it's basically everything where the participants in that market are as equally distributed as possible. So indices, stocks, cryptos, for as weird as may sound, big cryptos like, I don't know, if you're looking at Sushi Coin, then no. But Bitcoin, ETH, Binance. So yeah, something something like that, basically. Which is basically what I trade. I mostly trade stocks, indices. I do trade some oil also, oil and gold. Sometimes I trade EU as well, but just when I see clear pattern, mostly triangles, because I like them. So yeah, I don't know. I guess this kind of looks like, to be honest, 1, 2, 3. So not that good. So really, if there's anything you're looking at and on this, let me know. But other than that, I don't know. It looks a bit sketchy. Yeah. Let's see, do we have any other questions? No, I guess not. So, yeah, guys, it's been a pleasure. As I said, please consider subscribing, leave a like, and I hope to see you all on Discord soon. If you are in the Discord, also the free one, which the link it's been pinned. Feel free to tag me if you want me to check out one of your analysis, or you can just private message me on Discord. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. As always, I'll see you in 2 weeks because I stream every other Friday, and obviously I stream every week for members only. So thanks. Hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did. Hope you find it helpful. I had fun as always. Hope I helped you out, and